When it comes to chilled beverages, cold brew and iced coffee remain supreme. Today we're going to talk about the unique qualities of them, how they're brewed, what makes them different, and why they're so tasty. This is Will, I'm Marco from Methodical Coffee. So Will, let's talk about cold brew.
Cold brew is typically brewed in larger batches with room temperature water or cold water, like in the fridge. And it tends to be a lot more concentrated, but it's smooth because you don't have hot water extracting the bitter or acidic compounds from the coffee.
Okay, and there's more caffeine too.
Yeah,
cold brew, right.
Yeah, the steep time is usually between 12 and 24 hours. So because of that, the water is extracting a lot more caffeine content. So it's pretty potent stuff. But it's nice because if you're brewing cold brew, since it is more concentrated because of the long steep time, it's really good with milk, with sugar, and you can use it as an ingredient instead of just as the drink itself if you want.
So how is it different from an iced coffee?
Iced coffee. So iced coffee usually is made a cup at a time. You know, you're doing a pour over, and I like to use, if I want a total volume of liquid, I'm going to use half of that water to brew with hot water, and then the other half of that volume, I'm going to actually weigh that in ice.
Okay.
So that the coffee is brewing over the ice is chilling down the coffee, and the end result is the total volume that I want. Because of that, the iced coffee is usually a little bit more light and complex. It's not as potent, it's not as caffeinated.
It's brighter.
Yeah, a lot brighter. Personally, I think it can be a little bit more refreshing on its own.
So if you're looking for something that is bright and light and refreshing, iced coffee is probably the where you want to go.
Yep, and if you're looking for something a little bit more concentrated, smooth, or if you want to use it as an ingredient in other beverages, then cold brew is a great way to go.
So give both a try, make them at home, come to one of our shops. We'd be happy to make you one and see which one you like the most.